This month's Peak Performer is locally sponsored by UR Medicine Orthopaedics and Physical Performance.
Injuries can be devastating to our student athletes. They can especially impact those who are pursuing athletic scholarships in college. Jordan Swift of Avoca is a three-sport athlete who loves cross-country running, indoor track, and her favorite passion, softball.
I was playing softball down on our home field. I was leading off of first base and I felt my knee pop. I knew something was wrong instantly.
Her family contacted my office to get diagnostic imaging done. Jordan had torn her ACL and needed surgery plus 6 to 9 months of rehab to repair the damage.
I started physical therapy 5 days after surgery, and it was hard, extremely hard, but I knew that I wanted to get back in time to play softball my senior year. When you're in physical therapy, you don't seem like you're making any progress at all because it's the same thing every day. Seeing your progress, seeing it on like a social media or on paper, I'm jogging at 4 months, so it's just nice to see where I'm at.
I was especially impressed with Jordan's work ethic. She'd worked so hard over the first 6 months we were able to clear her to participate in her cross-country senior night run.
My plan is to be an occupational therapist. I want to help others get to the point where they need to be. Keep pushing yourself. It's going to be hard at the time that you're doing it, but it's going to be worth it in the end.
For more peak performance stories from UR Medicine Orthopedics and Physical Performance, visit 13wham.com.